Hello, welcome to 3D game development and AR/VR technologies from the pioneers of creative education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ development kit enables students to express their logic building skills and creative designing skills, and at the same time lets them enjoy practically exploring academic concepts. The uniqueness of the kit is that it houses activities that let students work with futuristic technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality that are transforming the digital world for a whole new experience. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses materials to create a board game, VR headset that is Google Cardboard, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms, a content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. The activities in this kit introduces students to the world of game development through creation of a board game and creation of PAR professional virtual reality walkthrough application, and also augmented reality applications using industry-standard game engine. The 3D game development and AR/VR technologies activities enable the children to communicate using diagrams, pictures and suitable text, critically analyze their own and peers' work, apply their understanding of a concept in hypothetical situations, improve problem-solving skills, get an introduction to futuristic technologies, practically understand academic concepts through gamification, take up challenging projects to creatively design AR and VR applications, exciting entry into a challenging career option. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.